Here I have OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound and vibration section, and here you can find ringtone. You can select your own ringtone from your phone's memory and set up any song or recording as a ringtone. You can just select one of these system ringtones. Let's listen to some of them. I don't know, this one could be. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.